Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw your trial cash on Palmpay. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Palmpay app on your phone and log in with your credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once you are in the app, tap on your wallet or balance shown on the main screen. This will take you to your account's balance page where you can see your trial cash. Trial cash is often given for promotional purposes, so make sure that the trial cash is eligible for withdrawal. Some trial cash may need to be used in specific ways or may have conditions attached. Once you have confirmed your trial cash is eligible, tap on the withdraw button. This will bring up the options for withdrawing your funds. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and select the withdrawal method, such as your linked bank account or mobile wallet. Make sure your payment details are correct. Finally, confirm the withdrawal request by entering your PIN or performing any required authentication. Your trial cash will be transferred to your chosen account. And that's it. Thanks for watching.